thunderstorm watch means that
Bro, how did we get another SVA? What?
including large hail and damaged winds.
Bro, we got another SVA. What the heck? That is crazy.
For rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
What the heck?
Broadcast radio and
Bro, how did we get 2 SVAs? What? No way. That is insane.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and
I never expect 2 SVAs.
thunderstorm warning for East Central and Turkey County is canceled. This is your thunderstorm which means the warning has moved out of the warned area.
11 p.m. for the following county.
Expires 11 p.m.
Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for
How did that happen, bruh?
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York, Putnam,
What the
Rockland, and
heck?
Westchester.